on the Shoryuken.com forums, like the Street Fighter hardcore, there's already like some buzz about this. People going like, wait, just a minute, this looks like.
What about on the Shoryuken forums?
Hadouken!
Japan!
Tiger!
Sorry. Sorry.
Brazil! China! USA! USSR!
4, 5, 8.
Fight!
Anyways,
Round.
Ryan, you were saying this one looks like it might actually be a real fighting game?
Yes.
Luke.
That is what it seems like they're going for, at least. Like they very well could just screw this up.
Were the characters though? Were they rendered, or were they like the Mortal Kombat 2 to hook my sister on the show simply by getting her to listen to your Street Fighter impressions from the previous show?
Round. Fight.
Hadouken!
All the talk is interesting,
Japan.
from games to threadless discussions, and
You
your
and
hopefully
cards.
jokey at time opinions. Please keep going with it. I have no problem with the cursing or sex talk. I work in the games industry too.
Hadouken.
Trudy.
USSR!
Japan.
India!
All right,
Island.
Flame!
Fire.
we have some other.
Flame.
We have some other letters.
Are they from a tiger?
This one's from.
Are they from Brazil?
This one's from Alex.
Thailand. Where's this one from?
Alex,
India.
China!
and he says, how much tail is Ryan getting lately?
Oh,
He's
I
been-
like this one. I read this one.
He's been so on the ball on both the debriefings and the Geek Box. He's really come out of his shell, and I thought maybe it's because he's getting a lot of action.
Perfect!
Fire.
Lose.
Because he ate fire.
So
Because he.
I just wanted you to. The reason
You don't
I
have
read
to
that
answer
mainly,
that.
Ryan, was that I wanted you to know that people think you're doing it.
He's,
Ryan, is the
he's
answer-
blushing.
Ryan, is the answer because the flame in your relationship is still there?
Yeah.
Yeah, what ignited this fire?
Are you going to go on a
Did you-
second honeymoon to Japan?
Did you guys set the bed on fire?
Are you like a tiger between the sheets?
Ryan's wife likes to give him a ninja kick.
Ryan, when you enter the room naked, do you just slap your knees and go doof goy? You talk. Yeah. For
Yeah.
sure.
Wesley writes in.
When you finish, do you go?
Oh, God.
Okay.
Perfect!
Wesley writes in.
$100 in your hand to buy Blades of Steel, and they took a picture of it, and then saved
Blades
it.
of Steel.
20, 30 years later, they're like, "Oh, we're gonna send you a hat." Like, you're
Shoot
crazy.
the pass.
What?
Shoot the pass. What does he say?
I don't know, but I would just.
There's a
press-
second.
I would press.
Double pass.
Yeah, I would press reset on that game and double dribble just to hear the voice every time.
Blades of Steel.
That was pretty good. That was really good.
Yeah.
Double dribble.
Um,
Do you
Right.
remember?